Grace and peace, saints and friends. It's Apostle Marquise Faison here, and I'd like to welcome you to Living Theology and Apologetics. This channel is devoted to helping everyone, whether you just got saved, you are looking into Christianity, or you've been saved for a very, very long time, helping everyone understand what theology and apologetics is. Before you can really appreciate Living Theology and Apologetics as a channel, you have to understand what those two things are. Theology is the study of God. And because God is the most important, most influential being in existence, then theology is also a study of how everything is influenced by God. If you think about the Constitution of the United States, this wonderful document in our country's history, the Constitution tells us who we are as a nation. It tells us what our values are, and it's set in stone so that we all can refer back to it. It's what theology does. It tells the Christian what they believe and why they believe what they believe. It establishes proper belief across all of Christendom. But we also need protection for those values, right? If you think about our armed service members, their oath of enlistment says that they are swearing to protect the Constitution, the country, the flag, the nation against all enemies, foreign and domestic, right? That's what apologetics is, right? It's a defense of the faith to protect the tenets, the values, and the foundational principles of Christianity from all opposition, foreign opposing views, and domestic offshoots and heresies and things of that sort. While everyone may not have the time, the opportunity, or the resources to attend seminary or some sort of Bible college, every believer needs theology and apologetics. They need to know what they believe and why they believe what they believe and how to defend that belief against opposing views. And so that's what this channel is about. It's about taking sometimes the complex ideas and conceptualizations of God, of the way we believe, and breaking it down so that everyone can understand. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. We have amazing videos and amazing content. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video.